Good morning everyone, my name is Michael G. Navarro. Today, I will show you how to use A-star algorithm. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The A-star algorithm, introduced by Peter Hart, Niels Nielsen, and Bertram Raphael in 1968, is a cornerstone in artificial intelligence. It is widely recognized for finding the shortest path in weighted graphs by combining elements of Dijkstra's algorithm and heuristic-driven search. This algorithm is commonly applied in robotics, navigation system, and game development due to its efficiency and practical scenario. The A-star algorithm relies on the best first search approach, using a heuristic function to estimate the cost from the current node to the goal. The algorithm evaluates nodes based on the sum of the actual cost from the start node to the current node and the estimated cost to the goal. This ensures that the algorithm prioritizes paths that are likely to lead to the shortest route efficiently.
So let's do an example where the red dot represents our starting point and the green dot represents our end point. So first, we add some distances to our graph. This represents how far the nodes are from each other. Then let's add some heuristics. So we put the red starting node on our queue and give it a priority of O+. The heuristic value, which is the estimated distance to the endpoint, we then pop this node of the queue and add on its children. Taking a look at the queue, we see that the node with purple heuristic of 85 has the lowest priority value. The priority of 88 means that the estimated distance from the start node through this node to the endpoint is 88. Since this is the lowest priority on the queue, we take the path along this node. So we pop it off and its children. If we continue going this way, we search these parts of the graph shown in blue. This is way better than an exhaustive search. The time complexity of A-star algorithm is highly flexible and depends on the graph structure and the quality of heuristic. A good heuristic can significantly improve performance, making A-star one of the most powerful and versatile algorithms in pathfinding. So here's the graph of A-star's algorithm highlighting the worst case and admissible heuristic. So in the worst case, which is the red line, is when the heuristic is ineffective. Then A star behaves like Dijkstra's algorithm. Its time complexity grows as it needs to explore many nodes, such as number of vertices and edges increases. Then, with an invisible heuristic, which is blue line, is an effective heuristic that significantly reduces the number of computations by focusing on the most promising path. This improvement is reflected in the lower growth rate compared to the worst case. So, in conclusion, the efficiency of the A-star algorithm is highly influenced by the choice of the heuristic function. An accurate heuristic leads to fewer nodes being explored, enhancing performance in sparse graphs. However, in dense graphs or when heuristic is poorly designed, computational costs may increase significantly.
Hi, I'm Alwin. To assess the A-star algorithm's practical applications, a simulation are conducted on the city of Chicago and Rome. The algorithm is used to compute optimal routes by finding the shortest possible route. The goal of the simulation is to test how well the A-star algorithm works in finding optimal routes in real-world settings. The simulation models two cities, Chicago and Rome, using the road networks or layouts. The A-star algorithm is applied to these city models to compute the shortest possible route between the specified locations, demonstrating its effectiveness in real-world navigation scenarios. These simulations include scenarios such as the city are set up like a complex maze with multiple dead ends and narrow passages. These test cases are designed to validate the algorithm's ability to explore and identify the optimal path in intricate environment. The goal of these test cases is to challenge the algorithm and assess its ability to explore all possible routes and identify the shortest path effectively. These simulation results demonstrate the A-star algorithm's ability to identify optimal paths while adapting to dynamic changes in real time. Observations highlight its superior efficiency compared to alternative algorithms when the heuristic is appropriately defined. The simulation shows that A-star algorithm successfully identifies the shortest and most efficient path even in the complex scenarios. The algorithm performs well in real-time dynamics situations, meaning it can adapt to changes like block paths or new obstacles. When the heuristic is well defined, A-star demonstrates greater efficiency than alternative pathfinding algorithms.
My name is Jasper Dugos and here's a video of a performance simulation of A-star algorithm. So, based on the video which does demonstrate the A-star algorithm navigating through a 2D grid to find the shorter path. Here's an evaluation of average time efficiency and memory utilization. In the video, A-star demonstrates the ability to compute the shortest path efficiently. The A-star algorithm demonstrates real-time performance to small to medium grids. Larger grids with higher complexity introduce slight delays and it is a efficiency. The algorithm excel the minimize unnecessary node expansions, making it faster than uninformed algorithms like Distracts and for the memories usage. It efficient for the sparse grids, but increase obstacles or large map. So overall, the stars excels in the scenarios where optimal path must be computed quickly, particular in environments with moderate grid size and obstacles.
Algorithmic strengths. The A-star algorithm excels in fact-finding due to its balance of accuracy and computational efficiency. Its flexibility makes it suitable for diverse applications including robotics and AI navigation, where adaptability is crucial. Limitation and challenges. Despite its strength and algorithm performance, Hebe relies on the heuristic function. Poorly designed heuristic may lead to efficiencies, specifically in largest dense graphs. Memory consumption can also become a bottleneck when exploring vast number of nodes.
Comparative analysis. Comparison reveals the, that the A-star algorithm consistently outperforms algorithms like Dijkstra's algorithm in scenarios requiring the heuristic driven efficiently. However, the algorithm effectiveness varies depending on the specific requirements of the application.